Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. Today's video is all about a dessert. I'm so excited. We are making s'mores brownies. I've never met a brownie that I don't like. So this s'mores brownie that's got multiple layers of goodness, oh my goodness, I can't wait to give it a try. Today's video is part of our monthly cookbook collaboration series. This series is hosted by Tamara from Southern Wife Everyday Life. I will have Tamara's channel listed below, as well as the playlist of all the wonderful creators who are cooking out of cookbooks for you this month. I am cooking out of the Pioneer Woman Super Easy Cookbook this month. I will link this cookbook below in the description box as well. We will be making brownie s'mores bars. Oh my goodness, you guys, I cannot wait. We better get into it. For today's recipe, we need graham crackers, brownie mix, marshmallow cream, oil, mini marshmallows, Abe drinking is always an ingredient at our house, eggs, and Hershey's milk chocolate bars. Hey guys, we're gonna start our recipe with a brownie mix. We will be mixing in the same ingredients that is called for on the back of the box. Water, eggs, oil, and then Ree's recipe has us add kosher salt, and that is not on the recipe box. We're gonna give this a good mix. Next, my husband is gonna help me. We are gonna put 2/3 of our brownie mix in the bottom of our casserole dish. I have sprayed this with non-stick cooking spray already. We're just spreading it out all over the bottom of the pan, pushing it to the area. We're gonna set your brownie mix to the side. You're gonna take your marshmallow fluff and you're just gonna do big dollops of marshmallow fluff. Now I'm gonna take this little skewer stick, and all you're doing is just kind of spreading it out a little bit. You're not trying to marbleize it. You're just trying to spread out your dollops, not completely. The directions in the recipe are really clear about just spreading out your fluff. We took one package of the graham crackers, and there were 9 individual long graham crackers in there. And so all you're gonna do is break them up into big pieces. You want half of those pieces to be spreaded, is that even a word? To spread out. See how I have left them in big pieces? You want big pieces. You don't wanna pulverize them like they're a crust. You're gonna spread out half of your graham cracker crust all over the top of your chocolate brownie mix and your marshmallow fluff. Next step, we're gonna pour all the rest of our brownie batter on the top. There will not be enough brownie batter left to cover the entire top. So just do your best, and if there's pieces of the graham cracker and marshmallow that shows through, that's fine. We are gonna put this in our preheated oven, and we are going to bake it until it's just barely done in the middle. The Pioneer Woman suggests that we cook it about 30 minutes. We don't want it all the way done in the middle. We want it just barely set. So I'm gonna get this in the oven for 30 minutes and we'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. I missed a step. I knew something didn't seem right. All right, what we did is we took 2 Hershey chocolate bars and we spreaded. We are going to place them on the top. I knew I was forgetting something, but I couldn't figure out what it was. Okay, now we're really going in the oven this time. While our brownies are baking, I want to talk to you a little bit more about Tamara's channel, Southern Life, Everyday Life. Tamara has awesome videos. She has great content. It's typically all food related, but she has a whole other segment that focuses on prepper pantries. She does grocery hauls. She does what's for dinner, what's for lunch, what's for dessert. She has an awesome family with a great little boy, Winston. I would highly encourage you to go check out her channel. She is tons of fun. She tells it like it is, but all in a good-hearted way. So I think I got about 5 minutes left on my brownies. I'll be back whenever those get out of the oven. Hey guys, all right. First cooking time is done. So now I'm gonna take my mini marshmallows and I'm just gonna pour them all over the top. Also, wanted to let you know that, whoops, lost one, that mine cooked about 22 minutes before it's set. So make sure you read the back of your brownie box on cooking time. All right, this is gonna go back in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. You want your marshmallows softened, and you can cook them as long as you want for brownness on the top. The recipe suggested that you turn your broiler on and watch it very closely to get them as brown as you want on the top. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at this goodness. I'm going to enlist the help of my husband. You have to work quick during this phase. Okay, so he's in the other room. So what you do is all you're gonna do is stick your chocolate in your marshmallows and they're gonna melt. So you have one more candy bar left. And you gotta kind of work quick so that the heat from the marshmallows melts the chocolate. And then you're gonna do the same thing with the remaining pieces of your graham crackers, your bigger pieces. You're just gonna stick them down in there. Pioneer Woman says that she likes hers, the messier the better. All right, I'm going to sit and let mine cool. And here are S'mores Brownie Bar. The recipe called for the 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows. That may be a little too much on top of the marshmallow fluff. So if I did this again, I would definitely cut back on the marshmallows. I took a little sneak peek. They are delicious. I mean, like super delicious. They're rich, so a little piece goes a long way. And that's a wrap for today's cookbook collaboration video. Those brownies are so dreamy. They are so, so good. I wanted to thank you guys so much for following along today. Don't forget to check out Tamara's Southern Life Everyday Life's channel, as well as the playlist of all of our creators who worked so hard to provide a great cookbook recipe for you. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next one.